In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove subtitles from a Pictory video. Whether you're looking to make your video cleaner or just want to switch up your style, removing subtitles is a straightforward task. Let's walk through the process together step by step. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and head over to Pictory.ai. It's a platform that's known for its user-friendly interface, allowing you to create and edit videos with ease. Once you're on the Pictory website, you'll see the option to log in. For convenience, you can click on Continue with Google. This is a quick way to get access to your account without having to remember additional passwords. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Now look for the Projects tab. This tab is essentially your hub for all the videos you've created. It's where you can manage, organize, and edit your projects. Click on it, and you'll see a list of your ongoing or past projects. Next, you'll want to locate the specific project from which you wish to remove the subtitles. Find the video, and then look for 3 small dots. This is usually to the right of the video title or thumbnail. Clicking on these dots will give you a drop-down menu with various options related to that project. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Project. This option will open up the video editing interface, where you can make changes to the video content, including the removal of subtitles. Now within the editing interface, you'll need to select the scene that contains the subtitles you wish to hide. Make sure you carefully go through the scenes if the video has multiple ones, to target the correct subtitle you want to remove. Once you have the correct scene selected, look for an option labeled Hide Text. Clicking this button will remove the visible text or subtitles from that particular scene on the video. It's important to double check that the scene playing is indeed the one you wish to edit, to ensure you've hidden the correct subtitle content. Lastly, if you want this change to be applied across all scenes in your video, not just the one you selected, look for the Apply to All button. Clicking it ensures that the subtitles are removed throughout the entire video, saving you time if you're dealing with multiple subtitles across many scenes. And there you go. By following these steps, you should now have a subtitle-free video that looks exactly how you want it. This process not only helps streamline your video, but also gives you complete control over how your content is presented. Thanks for watching, and happy editing on Pictory.